Imagine this, you hum a tune, and in seconds, an AI turns it into a full song, in your voice. Sounds crazy, right? Well, that's exactly what Mureka AI does. Whether you're a musician, a content creator, or just love making music, stick around because I'm about to show you how to create your own song from scratch in under 10 minutes. Now, you've probably heard of SUNO or UDIO, but here's the thing, Mureka is nothing like those. Instead of generating random AI music, Mureka lets you control everything, your voice, your lyrics, your vibe. Without wasting any more time like this video, subscribe if you love AI tools, and let's dive in. First up, audio reference. This is the feature that leaves Suno and UDIO in the dust. While other AI music tools rely on text prompts, you type romantic pop song and hope for the best, Mureka lets you upload an actual song to use as a reference. Let's say, I love this indie pop track. I upload it to Mureka, paste my lyrics, and watch how it clones the vibe. Dreamy guitars, chill beats, exactly like my reference. Now, let's generate the track.
Neon signs paint the midnight sky. Footsteps echo, but I don't know where.
If I did this in Suno, it would have given me a generic piano melody, but Mureka, it nailed the mood. It understands musical style better than any other AI I've tested. No more guessing with text prompts. What do you guys think? Does Suno still hold up, or is Mureka clearly the better AI? Drop a comment below. I want to hear your thoughts. Now, the craziest part, vocal upload. Imagine turning your own voice into an AI singer. Just record a 30-second clip of you singing the chorus. Your phone mic works fine, upload it, and Mureka clones your tone. For this demo, I'll use a voice from Mureka's library. Let's pick Candace for that smooth R&B vibe. Now, let's generate the track.
Neon signs paint the midnight sky. Footsteps echo, but I don't know why. Falling in love with the way time fades. Every heartbeat lost in the arcade.
Listen to how smooth and consistent that is. And that could be your voice. Whether you're into rap, ballads, or EDM, Mureka makes it effortless. Think about it. Instead of spending hours in a studio or paying for expensive vocalists, you can now generate high-quality vocals in minutes. If you're finding this mind-blowing so far, make sure to subscribe. I've got tons of AI music tutorials coming up and you won't want to miss them. Here's a game changer for musicians, the description feature. With this, you can fine-tune your song's style before it's even created. Simply select the genre, set the mood, and choose between a male or female voice to match your vision. Once that's locked in, hit done, then tap create, and just like that, your custom track comes to life.
Drift away, let the moment take you. Feel the breeze, let the music shake you. Close your eyes, let the world fade slow.
Wow, that sounds incredible. Now, I save the best for last, melody motif. This feature is pure magic. You just hum a tune and Mureka turns it into a full song. Okay, full disclosure, this feature is for pro users, but trust me, it's worth it. It's like having a full band in your pocket. Let me show you. I'll hum a simple melody, upload it, and let Mureka build a full track around it. That's insane, right? You don't even need to play an instrument, just hum your idea, and Mureka does the rest. All right, let's talk about why Mureka is a game changer. For indie artists, it slashes production costs by 90%. Instead of spending thousands on studio time, you can create industry-level tracks at home for the price of a coffee. No expensive gear, no hiring vocalists, just you and your creativity. For hobbyists, it turns daydreams into Spotify-ready songs. No technical skills needed. Always had a melody in your head, but didn't know how to produce music? With Mureka's melody motif, you can hum a tune, and it builds a full track around it. It's never been easier to capture those lightning bolt moments of inspiration. For creators and influencers, need custom music for TikTok, YouTube, or your podcast. Instead of searching through copyright-free tracks, make your own in minutes. Your voice, your style, your vibe. For professional musicians and producers, Mureka gives you full creative control. Unlike other AI tools that generate generic music, you decide the style, instruments, and emotion, so your sound stays authentic. Plus, everything's in one app. Generate, edit, and even distribute your music to streaming platforms. No switching between multiple programs, no complicated workflows, just pure creativity at your fingertips. So tell me, what would you use Mureka for? Are you making beats, songwriting, or just experimenting? Drop a comment below. Alright, ready to try it? Click the link below to sign up for Mureka AI. It's free, and let's make this interactive. Comment lyrics below, and I'll DM you the exact ChatGPT prompts I used today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more AI creativity hacks. Thanks for watching. Go make something amazing.